Dinner after Mario Brothers. People out here, stay close. Line Carnival.
Oh, there's the train station there. Oh, they want also a pizza.
Well, it is a Saturday night, so.
Yes, it's Easter.
Oh, yeah. They had a lot of chocolate.
Okay, let's say that. We even have the beer bottles still.
No, I'm not allowed to have people in the background, but I can't help if they decide to walk by YouTube.
No, they're going straight. They didn't see us. I said, their birds are light.
They had a lot of chocolate.
Oh, there's a light on, he says.
Is this my bedroom? So there's the process. We're installing a pizza. I'm just kidding. It's uploading.
It's still heating up, but why is this not heating
It's
up?
downloading.
Normally it's both heating up.
Look at, we're in the space age. Look, pizza in a vending machine. 24 hours. Open. This is incredible.
Come on. Why is mine not heating up?
I don't know.
Oh, come on. There's some... Normally there's...
So what do you think? Top door or bottom door?
Is the first one, but why is mine not working?
Look at that.
Good for you.
Pizza vending machine.